Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we take a look at exit codes, the numeric codes that are generated when a command is run that indicates whether the command was run successfully, or if not, what kind of problem was encountered. You won't see these codes unless you ask. Run a command successfully and the exit code will be 0. To see a return code, you would type $?. So here, type the pwd command, get a response, and now look at the exit code and it's a 0. So that command was run successfully. Now, if the command you type isn't found, the return code will be 127. So I'm going to mistype pwd, run into an error, show the exit code, and as I said, it's 127. If the command is not executable, the exit code will be 126. So we'll try this. Oops, we're not allowed to run it. We don't have permission. Look at the exit code, and it's 126. So exit codes can be useful when commands are run from a script and you want to determine what went wrong, like when you're not viewing the error messages on your screen. There are many exit codes besides the few that I've just described. Well, that's your Linux tip for exit codes. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Info World channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.